Good morning, it's August 21st, 2017. My name is Jim Whitley. I'm going to share with you some of my morning notes. As always, be sure you're trading your plan. So I've been kind of taking it light here for a little bit and, took some vacation here in August, but we're starting to get back in the swing of things now. Let's take a look at the charts. The SPY, we have this kind of this descending channel on the daily here. We're grinding down towards that 240 area. MACD is still kind of weak. Zooming in on the hourly here, we can take a zoom in look on that descending channel. Same thing with the Qs, kind of coming down here towards this 140 area is the next point of interest. If that happens to break, we're gapping down to about 139. Looking at that on the hourly, we can, just kind of see a broad descending channel there. Gold has been on an ascending trend line here, both on the daily and on the hourly. So, working its way back up to the 123.50 is certainly, possible. And IBB, we have a psychological level here of 300. It's kind of where we were trying to break forever. Finally, we peaked up above it. Now we're coming back down. Seems like we're going to touch it. If that happens to break, the next support then would be around 290. Taking a look at it here on the hourly, right now, that descending trend line would have to break even 310 to go higher. Taking a look at Apple on the weekly chart, still looks pretty good. Let's zoom in here a little bit on the daily. Let's take a look at the 154.50-ish type of level would hold that upper, that upper support. After that, kind of gaps, down around 149.50-ish type of area. MACD is starting to cross a little bit, so even though the weekly looks good, the daily is flashing a little bit of caution. I zoomed in here on the 60-minute chart just so we can see that 144.50. This upper range to see if that can hold. Like I said, be mindful of it gapping though as well. Another name that's been acting, it's one of the few names that has the MACD that actually kind of crossed positively. At least the fast line kind of crossed over here a little bit. So $32 is not out of the question. Right now the 22-day that has started sloping up on it is around 29.50. So the market decides to move a little bit. This has been a better acting name. We'll have to see what happens. If we look at it on a 60-minute chart, we'd have to clear 30.86 would be the next level to try to pop above. So that's going to do it for the morning notes. Right here is just, I send these out, every morning, update them as well. There's mindset signals, So we can see that we're still in a kind of selling mindset with the major indexes. We did take note of Apple and MU today. They're have slight bias to them. Of course, the safety stuff like TLT and gold is all flashing some buy stuff. Also, looking down through the sectors, you'll see most of the sectors are flashing still a sell type of mindset, except for like staples and utilities. That's kind of neutral to a buy type of thing. But like I said, just kind of taking it light. Coming off of vacation, and tell you what, you guys have a fantastic day. I'll catch up with you a little bit later.